It can relieve cough symptoms. Only one bottle each time. Young people treat it as a drink. Strongmen addicted to cough syrup. Griffin family lack sleep. Peter and Lois are noisy. Brian comes up with an idea. Gives Dumpling cough syrup. Dumpling feels good after drinking. I slept well last night. Dumpling is drunk now. New drunkard in Griffin family. Dumpling's drunk behavior is bad. Causes trouble for Brian. Goes out drunk. He thinks he isn't drunk. We should exchange numbers. Dumpling looks like a homeless person. Brian holds a criticism meeting. Dumpling faces a problem. Admitting is the first step.